Are you busy?
No, no.
Okay, no problem. Just share your screen and go to the last topic.
I share my screen.
Yeah,
Okay. Hi.
you just
Uh,
stop sharing your.
I
So
did.
just click. Right now, you think that your targeted country is Japan. Okay.
Yeah, let's target Japan.
So just select the country from keyword server. That's Japan. You will see the option on right sidebar keyword server clipboard and right the icon. Or already you have selected maybe.
No, I mean this is Japan now.
Yeah,
On the
yeah.
keyword circle, Japan, yeah.
Japan. You have selected. Am I right?
Yeah, so, yeah. Can you
Now,
see my screen? Can see
yes,
that?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Now search your keyword on search bar, Google search bar.
And actually, you can see it came up with the first was embroidery, 4,400, and kintsugi, it's 1,000, and sashiko, actually, it didn't came up. Let me, it didn't came up at all.
Just go to the top.
Something similar.
Just take a look on the top bar. It's zero. The keyword search volume is zero. Sasko is zero.
Ah, okay. Super. Yes, I can see.
And
It's because Sasko is the English word translated into Japanese. I mean, into it. Yeah, translated from Japanese. It's English word Sasko. If I write in Japanese, the Sasko, maybe it comes up a lot.